Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and we really needed a means to safely transport all of our tech gear. And this VGOAL laptop backpack was the perfect way to do that. We were immediately impressed by how high quality this backpack is and how well it's constructed. It's really comfortable to wear. It feels like it's just hugging your body when you have it on. It has really durable, nice cushion straps that feel really secure and snug. It is great that it opens up completely flat, so this makes it so much easier for packing. A well-needed feature is the fact that it has a place to plug in a battery pack. With the external USB charging port, we have a charging station with us wherever we go. Backpacks can sometimes be bulky and cumbersome, but what we really love about this backpack is the fact that it's really compact and streamlined in its design. It is such a convenient thing for my husband to have since he often needs to bring his laptop with him on construction sites. It safely stores his laptop, all his cords, and electronic gear and protects it from getting damaged on the job site. He can keep everything he needs nearby and totally consolidated, and he doesn't have to worry about it. This backpack is so practical, it looks great, and it's super comfortable. And that's my point of view.